so calm about it though, you know, it's probably going mad at her. She's always so calm with it. Got it.
I'm going to let go. And there's another one underneath. That one's quite painful.
Sorry, got to get the blood and gut shot there.
Not yet. That's not much.
No, it's not too bad, no.
I don't know
got
what
blood
else is
on
up
the
there.
ring.
It's my blood, so it's okay. I don't know what else is up there.
Right.
Do what?
Do you want to do the other one?
Okay.
John, you need blood running around your wrists to make it look authentic.
No, that's not from me, that's from the ladder.
I got a little shot of the one that flew.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's 3 adults in one box.
3 adults.
Yeah.
Your one's flown. I've got 2
two.
out. I thought this was a young bird tucked in the back.
Two.
You see, it's
What's
very
going
difficult.
on
That's
there
quite
then?
high, and it's waving about all
And
over.
none of these are ringed as far as you could see?
These 2
The
aren't.
one that went, I couldn't see that had a ring on.
I won't be able to tell from this video, it's too far
Well, only
away.
because I've seen its leg, because I thought, you know.
It did, it sort of paused, didn't it, I think, as it came out. I was probably just disorientated with the light.
There's 700 for you.
I've got spots on
Oh,
that.
look, and it's another
Oh,
dove.
that's a very attractive
Beautiful
bird.
necklace.
And
That
this is
wants a
this is
photo of
male,
them
isn't it?
together.
Yeah, oh, this is a male by the looks of it.
This is from my blog, this video. That is a super attractive bird. I mean,
Do you
they're
want
both
them both together, or-
beautiful.
Sorry, did you want them both together? Or did you
Don't
just want
mind.
that?
Yeah,
Right now, or do we want to put
Well,
some
I'm
rings
just-
on
I'm
them
just,
first? This one needs to settle down, really.
We had 6 youngsters, didn't we, in this?
I know, it's was it not the
2 or
Chislets?
3 years
Was
back.
it not the Chislet 7 in here? They didn't all
So
fledge
it's,
though, did they?
No, but to get 3 adults in the box as well.
Beautiful.
Like W's going to be pleased, isn't he?
He will be very pleased. Actually, I will send him this video.
that's 2 and gold neck. I never know what to call that collar. Necklace.
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 I think they're all the same
That
colour.
bird just looks in so much better condition, I think, than that last one we got
So
out.
yours
does,
is
doesn't it?
a
Yeah.
It's just, I mean, that's a beautiful one.
yeah, John's a
I can't
4.
see any colour change in there at all.
So John is. Any chance the other one would have flown into the other box by now?
Well, I
It
thought
went
they
off.
over
It
there.
went off.
Five.
Yeah,
Did a
you'd be
surface
lucky.
circle.
285.
Jane. 285.
Do that.
Oops, sorry.
There was this monogamy or polyandry or what?
I don't know, but no,
See there?
Maybe just a pop festival. or
no
something.
chicks, just 3.
It's a box fest.
264. It's quite
Barnell box.
small.
So what music a barn house would have been into? That'd be a cracker joke, wouldn't it? Well, Simon, you could be good at these things, I bet.
Take away 95.
What music the barn house is.
What about more photos?
Speculate
Yeah.
on
One of the
what
ways
this
that
outside.
barn owls fly silently is if you look along the leading edge of that first primary,
Oh
can
yeah.
you see the
Yep.
hairs there? That
John,
breaks
just
up the
hang on a
passage of
minute.
air over the edge. Ah,
There's
Selling
some
shaft.
there
Right.
on that one.
So what's that mean then, Jan,
Well,
there?
that feather's still growing,
It's a young bird then, perhaps still.
and I think that's got a sheath to there. So this, yeah, this
That's a
could
young
be,
bird. Here's the sheath coming off.
Yeah. So if they're all got
Oh.
the same amount, that explains it rather.
So it was a youngster after all.
So you think it's 2 adults and 1 young?
Yeah, same on there. Well, this might
So-
be the young one, which I suspected.
Mm.
But
Okay.
BP4 down on this one.
Oh,
That is
so
so
if you put yours in
beautiful.
there, that's a 95 bag.
So did you want a better picture to go together or not?
Oh, yeah, do you want the picture together first? Before anybody goes. So that should be juvenile.
well, it should be.
It could be there. but mine's scaly.
Well, that skin looks so scaly, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is. But you can see some
Some feathers and fin at the
pre-juvenile
side.
moult. Yeah.
So what does that mean then, that the skin's scaly?
Well, the males seem to get a brood patch with yellow, scaly, dry skin.
Oh, would you
But
want
could
to
this
blow
also
mine, then?
indicate this is a young?
Have you seen this
bird
one
from
then,
this year?
Jan? Blow that.
Why he's holding his tail? Or her tail?
That's quite
Yeah, that's a lovely one.
scaly there, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
But she's definitely she.
Mm.
Had your BB4 on that one.
Mm.
Right.
She's
So
also pretty
yours
small
is
as
going
well,
to be
isn't
a
it, this one?
3 then.
Yeah.
I think
Quite good, isn't it? They're big, if they're brought up in the box and then gone back to the box.
It's always interesting to look up which box. How old they are.
The adults will ring.
Yeah. Different ring series. 676 was one we were using last year.
I don't
But
suppose.
then it's fairly muddly what rings we're using.
Yeah.
Different series.
Do you get a chance, Simon, to write to the farmers at all anymore? Or-
Yeah, I've to that.
They do, yeah. Okay. Do you tell them things like where their chicks came from, do you? Or
I don't think that was last time. It's because the cats seem to be the final back check. So
Yeah, one is like we've got
is it biting your arm?
These are bitey ones, aren't they?
I just didn't want it to fly.
Oh,
They're a bit bitey. She like the fresh air up there. I think that's it, but I'll double check.
Simon, what would you like? A baby or a recap adult?
oh, you're messy.
Very messy bird.
Ooh. Rather alert though.
Who's this?
Oh, look.
295.
YouTube star.
That's the whole weight. That's the bird.
It's your shining moments. You'll go viral. He's got all shy now. He's got camera shy. Get camera shy. You'll never get to watch yourself. That's the worst bit. Why do they? I mean, all that's going on, and yet he's looking more sleepy as you're doing it.
They do. I
Is
think.
that a defence
I think it's a
response?
defence strategy. Yeah, yeah. I think they just
how
pretend to
could that be
play,
a defence
sort of play
strategy?
dead, and then perhaps
I
I'll be
see.
dropped and just left for the time being.
which foot did you drop the one?
Right, preferably. Yeah, the spring will be
birds
going
a
out
bit
again and
Chunkier.
see if we do relax for you, otherwise. Yeah,
sleep here.
Just another squeeze to make that go flat.
Look at your sleepy face.
From the side.
Very fat belly.
Isn't it? Probably quite well fed, yeah.
Yeah,
Hello, Belly.
got a pot belly.
Yeah, they are growing on me.
Yeah, that's good.
I started thinking they were on.
Yeah, no, they're kind of beautiful, aren't they?
Bag of this,
Yeah.
the bag of this one, I've got the one that's 55.
Birds are. Hello.
It's time to have the sunlight.
Oh, you didn't like the
It's
sun.
warm.
You're not a bird of the sun.
It's a snowy owl.
I've